Good morning, greetings, salutations, YouTube is Adrian here. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. I am with these little munchkins. Say hi, munchkins. And we're on our way to school. It's really sunny right now, so I'll see you guys in a second. Alright, you guys, just got to the Veterans Thrift. Super excited to go inside, so let's go in. I have just a few short moments to be here right now, and then I have to go somewhere else. So let's go inside and check it out. Okay, you guys, I'm a little late because I dropped off the kids to school first. And it kind of looks like everything's been picked over already, but still gonna look through everything really quick, see if there's anything that anyone may have missed. What is this? Lucky brand for 20. This is the most sparse this section has ever been. Okay, yeah, a lot of people were just in through here, I think. The only thing that they still had was a Mark by Mark, but it was a fabric one that's like up at the front. But it's 25% off and it's pretty expensive still, so don't think I would necessarily go for it unless it went cheaper. But just looking through the rest of these bags to see if I could find anything else. Guys, okay, so I found, this is a Lucky Penny bag. That's $10. These are from Anthropology. This one looks to be pretty good. There's a little bit of marking right there and right there. Hopefully we can get that out. Otherwise they're like not in inconspicuous places, so. But the bag is pretty cute. Okay, I'm gonna hold on to this. See if we can find any other goodies. Look at those Valentinos. They don't look real though, unfortunately. You can tell from the hardware. Hey, remember I have one of these? I made these for the kids. Well, it's $3 for this? Yikes. Hey guys, that cookie jar though. Okay, I'm just gonna look through here really quick, then I'm gonna head out because I got some driving to do today. But that's good for you guys because we're gonna hit up some fun places. So strap on your seatbelts because we're going for a ride. Ooh, a giant leaf. You guys know how I feel about leaves. And also look at that cute little elephant. So I'm just looking for the shoes really quick. They always have really good ones here. Like, look at these Lucky brand ballet flats. These are pretty cute. These Coach ones are super cool, very summery. These are lamb boots right there, which are super cute as well. Banana Republic, Lane Bryant, Becky Johnson. There's some more Coach, Berries. What's this? Abeo. My gosh, are you serious? These are so stinking cute. Do you see these Ferragamos? Oh, and I think the yellow's half off? Oh, it is. Okay, half off. If I could, oh, these are size 7. Oh, do I know anyone that's a size 7? These are so stinking cute. But they look so big. So I'm sure they're a size 7. So just set down those Ferragamos because I'm looking at these. These are Lucky brand. I think these are orange. So these are 25% off right now. But look how cute these are. So adorable. Trying to figure out what size they are though. Size 7 also. So cute. There's some Coach, Michael Kors, more Coach, Michael Kors, Betsy Johnson. They have such awesome shoes in this place. Seriously, it's kind of insane what they have. Monroe's. These Coaches are so cute. Actually, I like this style. Size 7. Here's Boutique Salvatore Ferragamo. These are actually really nice. These are 20, so they're gonna be 10. Oh, I think they're like damaged kind of right there in the front a little bit. Alright guys, I have managed to find some treasures. Found 2 things. I'll show you guys what I got later though, but right now let's head back out. Hey guys, I guess we are back at the house now after a long day of like going out and thrifting and filming and all that. But I wanted to show you guys what I ended up getting this morning at the Veterans Thrift. So I actually found this while I was checking out. It was at the register. It's kind of a shame that they put the hole right there in the front. Like, I don't know why, but it's not like the wallet is like in superb condition anyway. But it has like a couple like loose like stitching that's gone missing. But that can be easily stitched back. But this is a little Gurkha, I think that's how you pronounce it, Gurkha like card wallet, which has 1, 2, and then 3 slots. I have a Gurkha bag that I'm still going to list, and I'm probably just going to list this with it, like it'll go together in a little bundle thing. So keep an eye out for that if anyone is interested. And again, also don't forget that from now until October 21st, 2018, shipping is going to be free for anyone within the US that purchases anything in the shop. So you don't have to do anything special, just check out, and then it's just going to automatically be free shipping, which is awesome, because shipping, oh man, shipping is always like such like an expensive thing, I feel like, and it is still like, it's still priority, and it's still gonna have insurance, and it's still going to have tracking. So it's a great opportunity to purchase something if you're interested in anything inside the shop and get a great discount. So I'm gonna be trying to list even more stuff, but I have been listing a lot of stuff recently, and you guys are like, I'm so thankful. You guys are so awesome. Thank you guys for, like, thank you everyone that's purchased anything or watched the video or liked it or commented or anything. Like, you guys are so amazing. So I'm so thankful for all of your support, because you guys are definitely making my dreams come true. Without you guys, like, none of this would even be possible. So thank you guys again for all of your just like positivity and awesomeness, and you guys make me want to do even more and be even better at like all this stuff that I'm trying to do. So thank you guys again. So yeah, this is the first thing. I only got one more thing, and it is, I finally got a Lucky Penny bag. Every time I see these, I always pass them up, and you guys are like, no, these are Anthropologie. So finally found one. This one was $10, but it was 25% off, so it was like $8. It is such a great, oh, $8.50, right? $8.50. Such a great bag. The leather is so soft, and I just like the style. It has a nice a long strap, which is adjustable, so it can be crossbody or kind of like a shoulder style type bag. And then this opens up, there's a zipper pocket on the front, opens like that, and then inside has 2 pockets and the zipper pocket as well. So, and the leather is so amazing. Like, I almost feel like it's a lambskin. Let me see if it tells me. Sometimes like the leather, like the cow leather is just as soft. It just says genuine leather, so it doesn't say exactly what it is. But usually when it's like an exotic, like more exotic, like a lamb or a goat or something, usually it'll say, but you never really know. But it's probably definitely just cowhide, but it's so soft and it's so nice. So yeah, those are what I ended up getting. Just put that on the floor. So today has been such an awesome day. I'm not gonna end the video right now though, because I'm going to show you guys what Mom made. She's actually not home right now because she went with my sister and the kids, and they are picking out Halloween costumes. So, I don't know, maybe when they get back, I'll share with you guys what they ended up getting. But right now, I wanted to take you guys along with me. Everything is still kind of out because Dad was just eating some, but check this out. Oh my gosh. She made fresh lumpia, which is kind of like fresh like veggie wraps. I don't know exactly what they're called, but she made them. These are the crepes. She made each individual one, and she put like a wax paper. Like, she's amazing. So she made all those. Cut up the fresh like lettuce. There's some cilantro right there. This is a sauce that she made also from scratch, and all this deliciousness. I'm actually gonna make one for myself right now because I have been thinking about this all day. And then there's also like this peanut topping that you put on as well, and it is so good. You guys could try it, but she is starting to put recipes up on her Instagram. So if you guys don't already follow her, itsHadrian's mom. I know the name is hilarious, but I think it's gonna stick. Like, everyone's kind of like, just go with it. Like, so far you guys have liked the name. So, and I think like everyone else is kind of like like all of our friends and family, they're just like laughing about it too. So I think it's just gonna stick, and I like it. I enjoy it. So again, it's Hadrian's mom. Check it out. Her Instagram is popping. Mom's gonna be like insta famous. I'm so excited. So she started putting up recipes. She actually just put up her recipe for Amish friendship bread, which is so delicious, you guys. It's so good. And what's even better is, if you guys know Amish friendship bread, there's like a starter that you need that usually has to be given to you, or you have to have it. This one is starter free, so you don't need like a starter dough to make it. So it's perfect. But anyway, I'm gonna make myself one of these guys, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just made up one of these guys for myself. So I have the lettuce in the bottom, then I put the veggies, and then I put the sauce and cilantro, and then some of the peanut stuff. So I'm really excited to eat this. It's gonna be so yummy. Hey guys, okay, so I'm in my room now, and it is the end of the night, and you know what, the kids, they got home pretty late, so they were already like getting ready to go to sleep and stuff. They spent like the whole like evening kind of like looking for their Halloween costumes, but they are very excited to have finally found them. So all three of them now have costumes. So yeah, I think I was gonna tell you what they were, but I totally forgot exactly what they were. So, you guys are gonna have to wait. Look at my hair; it looks crazy. Gosh, my hair just gets bigger and bigger by the end of the night. It's like, woo. But thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I had a blast. It's been such a busy day. But right now I'm gonna edit vlogs or videos for tomorrow, and then I'm going to package stuff, and then get more stuff up in the shop, because I want to get as many things out there for you guys as possible, because the sale is being very well received with like the free shipping. So I want everyone to be able to take advantage of that, and I'm trying to get as much stuff up as I can. So I will be listing some more stuff, so when you guys see this, there'll be more items up in the shop, and I'm very excited about that. But right now, I wanted to do my thrift shout-outs of the day, and my first one, sweet Chai, or okay, so you guys have to follow her on Instagram. It's CHYCHAI.0809. It's like, it's right there. So this is what she found today, you guys. She found this amazing Bayo bag. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. So congratulations, because like that is so amazing. Oh my gosh. So you guys have to add her on Instagram. She's so awesome. She finds such amazing things thrifting, and she's always sharing them with me. So I love that. And then let me answer and comment on a few questions and stuff from YouTube. Oh, this is so funny. Okay, so first one I have here is Jessica Gonzalez, and she says, my boyfriend walks around the house saying, so cute because of you. I play your videos out loud so he always hears you in the background. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. That's so cute. That's I want to share this, says that's so cute. But oh my gosh, Jessica, that's hilarious. Tell your boyfriend I said hi. The Real Housewife tried to get on here and YouTube was down. Wow, I had a cow. LOL. Oh, you're so sweet. And also, you guys have to follow her on on YouTube, because she is on YouTube. And I remember I saw her message. So you guys, the Real Housewife. I think I showed you guys her YouTube before. You guys have to add her. She's so sweet, and she does like some really amazing DIYs. I saw like she painted this chair. It turned out amazing. So that's awesome. Oh, and Drayton1833, she said, they say, thank you so much for reading my comments. I loved the cat family, so stinking cute. Also, the large coach tote was amazing. Please tell your mom that we are praying she has a speedy recovery. Thank you so much. You know what, honestly, mom is like, she bounces back so quickly from these surgeries, and I look like Mugatu again, from what's it called? From Zoolander. But she like was already out and about the whole day. I don't know, she's like a trooper. She's been cooking in the kitchen, so she's amazing. She went with the kids to go pick out their costumes and all that. So she's like super mom, super grandma. She's amazing. So thank you. You're well wishes and prayers. Like, she's like so good. Thank you so much. So we have here Anne-Marie Walker. Hi, Hadrian. Awesome find on the Pampered Chef Batter Bowl. Love mine. Of course, I paid full price. Thank you for sharing. Oh, thank you so much for that. But you know what? It's okay. Mom also paid full price for one of hers. So, yeah. Let's see. One more. Catherine McMaster says it's free shipping on items $20 or more. Yeah, for the sale on Depop, the items, the sale is for items that are $20 or more, you get free shipping. Though on any items I do have in the shop that are under $20, I automatically put free shipping on those already. So you'll still be receiving 20 if anyone purchases anything that's like $15 or whatever, you'll still get free shipping because I just automatically put it on there, regardless of whether or not it's above $20. So no need to worry about that. Oh, Glessy App says, funny you twisted the teapot like cat exorcism. That is so true. And she also says, it feels like Pampered Chef is always finding its way to you. You know what? I feel like Pampered Chef is. It's crazy. I don't know. I've just oh my gosh, I cannot lift my hair. I can't believe like it's just been finding, like I've just been finding a lot of Pampered Chef recently. So now I'm like, okay, Hadrian, like focus on Le Creuset. So like that's what I'm doing right now. Like I'm like, Le Creuset, Le Creuset, Le Creuset, Le Creuset, Le Creuset. That's like my mantra right now. Le Creuset. Come on, Le Creuset. Let's find another Dutch oven. That would be amazing. Okay, so then, Donna Brune. You know, I forgot to show you guys the tree that fell. I think it's like still fallen. I don't know. Like we can't get it back up. It won't stay. But it's just like my brother and I. I feel like we need like maybe a third person to help us. But yeah, I think the gardener's coming tomorrow, so I'm going to ask him to help, see if he can help me fix the tree. But anyway, Donna says, with the tree in the ground that fell, did you try staking it? That was a picture that is one talented girl. My hair used to be oily when I was younger. Then I got a perm, and after that, it wasn't oily anymore. Huh. I feel like I already kind of have a perm, because my hair is like already kind of like wavy curly. But, what was I gonna say? The tree is actually, it was staked already, but the stake is really heavy, and it like got pulled out of the ground, and like, I don't know, I think I like need a hammer, or like I need to dig a deeper hole or something, and then it needs to be like put back in, and then like it's just like, I feel like it's a process. And but yeah, I totally forgot about the tree today. I feel horrible. That tree. I'm going to try working on it tomorrow. And I'll try to show it to you guys tomorrow too. But that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys had fun. If you guys did, please give the video a big thumbs up. That always helps immensely. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that little like button and hit the little bell button for notifications. Check out today's thrifting video. Went up this morning. The new one goes up tomorrow at 7. And new vlog up at 2. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys later. Bye.